Does Solana have the opportunity to become one of the biggest DeFi projects whenever it comes to cryptocurrency? Welcome back to the Millionaires Club. My name is Jordan. We're going to be diving down into the Solana DeFi ecosystem. Especially, we're going to be talking about the price action and why it has been blowing up over the previous year. Now, we all know whenever it comes to DeFi that it is a movement that leverages decentralized networks to transform old financial products into trustless and transparent protocols that run without intermediaries. We have 225 DeFi projects that are listed, and 7 of them are built on the Solana blockchain. So as you guys can see right here, that Ethereum currently has 203. And then we have BSC, which is sitting at 43. And then we have Solana, which is currently sitting at 7. So Solana is definitely the underdog at this current moment. But whenever it comes to the Solana blockchain, we have the asset management tool known as Phantom. Phantom is a wallet and a browser extension that can be used to manage digital assets and access decentralized applications, and this is all done on the Solana blockchain. And then we have what is called Step Finance. Step Finance is a dashboard for the Solana blockchain that lets you visualize, analyze, aggregate, and execute transactions. There is an interview with this co-founder. If you guys would like to, there should be a link down below, and you are more than welcome to check that out. Next, we have decentralized exchanges on the Solana blockchain. The first one we got up is called Raydium. Raydium is an automated market maker, also known as an AMM, built on the Solana blockchain, which leverages the central order book for Ethereum decentralized exchange, which is known as a DEX, to enable lightning fast trades, shared liquidity, and new futures for earning yields. Then we have what is called Saber. Saber is a cross-chain stablecoin exchange on the Solana that provides liquidity foundation for stablecoins. And then we have what is called Serum. Serum DEX is a decentralized, permissionless, and trustless order book-based exchange on the Solana blockchain. Margin trading on Solana blockchain. Mango Markets. Mango Markets lets you trade with up to 5x leverage, long or short, with limit or market orders. Decentralized lending on Solana, also known as Solend. Solend is an algorithmic decentralized protocol for lending and borrowing on the Solana that lets you earn interest on deposits and borrow assets. So it looks like the Solana blockchain does provide a lot of things, especially whenever it comes to the DeFi ecosystem. Now, if we go ahead and dive down into this website, it talks about why Solana is important. Now, we all know that Solana is just an upgraded version of Ethereum. It does much better and faster at almost everything Ethereum does. And it has also become the go-to blockchain for NFTs. Now, as we were talking about earlier, we were stating that the price action has blown up like crazy for Solana. You guys can actually see the little chart down there to the downside, but one of the biggest reasons is not just because the faster transaction speeds, but it's also because the Solana blockchain is the go-to for NFTs. Like, everyone is literally building their NFTs on the Solana blockchain, and it is massive. It is massive. So one of the noticeable advantages of the Solana is the speed and the 50,000 transactions per second that it carries out. This dwarfs Ethereum and its proposed upgrade. So how is it this fast? Well, simple. Unlike Ethereum that uses proof of work mechanism, soon to be proof of stake in the new upgrade, Solana uses both. They use both proof of stake and a new mechanism known as proof of history. Solana's speed, lack of congestion, low fees makes it one of the highly hyped DeFi projects in the world. And I have to agree with that 100% because Solana has just been blowing up, you guys. And I think it's probably most likely going to continue in my overall opinion. Now let's go ahead and dive down into CoinMarketCap. You guys can see that we are currently sitting at about $84.50. So we are up today at about 4 to 5%, but get a look at our rank. Our rank is number 9, you guys. We're sitting in the top 10. I'll tell you right now, I believe that Solana has a lot more to grow, especially compared to its competitors. Remember, it only has seven DeFi projects, right? When Ethereum has 203, and then we got BSC sitting at 43, which is crazy. So compared to those, I believe Solana is the underdog. I believe it has a great opportunity to grow. If we take a look at the market cap, we're currently sitting at 27 billion, and if we take a look at the volume, it is actually up today over the past 24 hours at about 58%. So it seems like there is some interest. Now, if we dive down into the overall chart, you guys can see that Solana has definitely been moving, right? We had that monster bull run, you guys. Like, we ran up to all the all-time highs, all the way up here around like $250. And technically, ever since we hit that all-time high, we kind of just been selling off. It does look like Solana has possibly hit a bottom, in my own personal opinion. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, but I think there's a good chance that Solana should be working for a nice, strong reversal back to the upside very soon. And as I stated, I believe that this one is definitely an undervalued cryptocurrency whenever it comes to DeFi projects. If we take a look at the volume whenever it comes to exchanges, we got Binance sitting at number 1, we have Coinbase, and then we have FTX, Kraken, and hopefully someday we can bring on KuCoin. But anyways, I believe that Solana has a massive opportunity, especially for more growth whenever it comes to the cryptocurrency market. So anyways, thank you guys for all being here. Like I stated, my name is Jordan with the Millionaires Club. Be sure that you smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and if you guys have any comments, leave them down below and tell us how do you feel about the Solana blockchain. You have a great day, and ciao.